Good morning. My name is Jackie Gatson. It is an honor and a privilege to be here with you this morning to help us amplify inclusive advancement.
I think when we talk about diversity, we talk about it sometimes like a checkbox, like something we have to check off, like, okay, we did diversity, or we're doing diversity. But I think diversity in its intentions is to learn, right? And I think why diversity is important nowadays is because everybody's learning, so the people that don't learn get left behind.
So for me, I'm more passionate about how do we help students have a better experience here? How do they have the right mentors? How do they have people that are on this campus that make sure that they don't go through what I went through, right? So there's a bucket of people like that. On the flip side of it, there are a whole bunch of people that are going, no, like my experience was great. I tapped into this, I figured out this, I engaged over here, and I want every student to do this. And there are people that will get behind one of those two messages or stories, but you have to tell it.
So we're looking to see that students know how, and I think diversity helps with that, is you're not always gonna get to work with people who think like you do, look like you do, came from where you came, but can you be successful developing an outcome with a group of people? And you know, from my experience at Purdue, I didn't get an opportunity to work with a lot of people that looked like me, they just weren't here. So it did prepare me for Duke Energy because, again, I'm with people who don't look like me and we're producing great outcomes.
When we just know how to treat people fundamentally at that basic human dignity level kindly and hear people even when they have different perspectives than our own, that tends to eliminate some of the other concerns around racism and sexism and ageism. Because if you can get folks to be civil with one another, if you can get folks to disagree in a way that's not disrespectful, you can choose to disagree in a way where you hear what the other person's saying, where you're actually reaching across lines of difference. And then using all that to really create a culture of inclusion.